The 2024 Honda Shadow Phantom model year, comes with a new update for North America. This time it gets an ABS version as well as a striking black paint application. From 2024, the Honda Shadow Phantom Cruiser finally gets its ABS version and rear disc brakes. Even the non-ABS version of the Shadow Phantom also switches to using rear drum brakes and twin-piston calipers. Apart from that, Shadow Phantom also gets a new style change with a more striking paint. There are also forks with gaiters, new style headlight covers, and LED turn signals front and rear. The front and rear fenders were also made new, with the rear fenders being much shorter. This makes the motorbike seat, which was originally a double, become a single seat. But Honda says that the single seat is more comfortable at 647 millimeters tall. Meanwhile, the engine used remains the same, namely the liquid-cooled V-twin 745cc. The engine gets new cylinder head fins to make the engine stand out more and a matte black exhaust. The weight for the ABS version is 251 kilograms, while for the non-ABS version it is 246 kilograms. The Honda Shadow Phantom will be available this June in North America with deep pearl, gray metallic or orange metallic color variants. The non-ABS model costs $8,399 plus $300 for the ABS version. Only models equipped with ABS will be available in California.